Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. Today we're going to do a little bit of meal prep with our pound of ground beef that I'm just going to freeze and store with wax paper. So these will be real easy to cook later. Just fry them in a pan with a little butter on top or either in the air fryer. And then I'm going to make meatballs with the rest. With the other half. So these will be quarter pounder burgers. I am going to season with salt and pepper my hamburger patties. And my meatball mixture. This is a salt and pepper mix. Also in the meatball mixture, I mean, you can measure and do a quarter of a tablespoon of your spices, your onion powder, your garlic powder. And then some Italian seasoning. That's a good bit, but that'll be okay. I won't add as much to my marinara. And 1 beaten egg. Now usually to this you would add breadcrumbs to help bind, but I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to add a total of a half a cup. I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar, not a lot, but I do like to add a little bit of the extra cheddar with it. So you don't have to. Parmesan. So a good bit of Parmesan. And then the rest mozzarella. So all I'm going to do is combine all of this. And then I'm going to just form small meatballs. Small little balls. For my hamburger patties, I am just going to place right on top of each other and I am going to mash because I like mine flat. And then of course when you cook them, they'll shrink up. So these are ready to go in the freezer. So I have the meatballs prepared. So for that half a pound of ground beef, I have 10 large size meatballs. I'm just heating up on medium-high heat. Some extra virgin olive oil just to fry the meatballs with. So when that gets hot enough, I'll put them in and I will cook them 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to flip them over, make sure they're cooking pretty good. Now they're really loose, so just be careful in turning them. But that cheese is holding them together real well. Now that they've cooked thoroughly, I'm going to take them out and just place them on a plate to drain. I'm not even putting down a paper towel. Just going to let them sit. Now what I have done in the past is I've used the same pan and I've just fried up some onions, and then I added the meatballs back with some marinara. But I don't think I'm going to do this time. This is easy meal prep, wonderful lunches, wonderful suppers. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.